over you like I'm crying over you. Running to my mind, girl, you're all over me, yeah. Don't know why you're always on my mind. On my mind like every other time. Billion the money.
Maybe I should pull my list out because I'm just picking up every fruit and vegetable I see.
Yeah, catch me, girl, me gonna go for that.
I think it's crazy how you look my way. All the other guys.
Hey, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Asia G, and if you're not, welcome back. This week is kind of a continuation of last week. I was saying that I wanted to eat kind of more whole foods. So I'm gonna challenge myself to eat plant-based. Now I'm not saying I'm gonna kill this challenge, but I did go to the grocery store and buy a bunch of fruits and vegetables. So I think I got myself set up pretty well. I've already picked out the recipes that I'm gonna do, so it's just as simple as following the plan. And
Stop, wait right here. Let me get you in the moment. Yeah.
I'm preheating the oven to put the corn tortillas in there. We're gonna toast these in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. While that's in the oven, it's heating up. I got the mixture on the stove that goes on top of the tostadas. I speak a little bit of Spanish. I should know how to say tostadas.
Hold up, freeze. Stay right up. Let me get you in focus. Yeah.
They want me to pour this mixture over into that, but it don't say add like no oil or anything, which is probably why they told me to put it in a non-stick skillet. But I didn't scratch my skillet up. I'm so tempted to actually spray this with some oil, and I'm thinking this is actually supposed to be an egg mixture since it's a breakfast tostada. We gonna see.
Stop. Wait right here. Let me get you in focus.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous about this. This mixture looks questionable. Let's see. I'm pretty sure this mixture is supposed to be like an egg broccoli. It's not bad, but that recipe needed way more seasoning. I'm gonna put some more salt on it. Salt fixes everything. But it's missing a little something, a sauce, something. A drizzle. I don't know if this Trader Joe's sriracha is plant-based friendly, but we're gonna put it on here. Let's see what they do. The sriracha. A sriracha. Better. That's much better. It ain't been 15 minutes since I ate that, but now I want something sweet. And I'm gonna make this kind of peach thing that I saw off of Instagram. I made it before and it was good. It almost tastes like a peach. As I'm moving this knife, y'all nervous? Let me put it down. So I want to try to see if I can replicate that. And I think for the whole thing, it is plant-based, maybe except the fat-free Cool Whip to go on top. Let me read the ingredients. Coconut, darn, it got milk in. But now I need to Google to see if I can froth up like that almond milk to make something else out of it. It says yes, I can froth almond milk. Oh, never mind. Just never mind. They talking about something that high fat almond milk. Listen here, I got the lowest calorie shit that they had at the store. Ain't no fat in that almond milk. So I'm making my air fried peach, and I thought I was gonna be able to put this spray on it. Like, it's not real butter. This doesn't say it has butter in it, but it says it has milk in it. Why does it have milk in it? I'm just gonna put a little honey on it to help the brown sugar and cinnamon stick to it in the air fryer. Good, but it needs the whipped cream and the butter spray like to make it a dessert. Otherwise it just look like peaches with honey. Yeah, make the original recipe with the whipped cream and the I think she used granola instead of walnuts though, but she used whipped cream, granola, and then she put butter on it. I promise it tastes just like a peach cobbler. This one is like a dialed down, healthy version of what she made. I'm gonna eat this though. I've been watching Making the Cut on Amazon Prime. It has like Heidi and Tim as the host. And they used to have a show called Project Runway on Lifetime and on Bravo. It was the same show. They just put it on 2 different networks. I don't know. But anyway, the 3rd season of Making the Cut is on. And it's like a design show. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. Today's run is 14 miles. And I almost felt like 3 times trying to record, so I'm gonna focus on this run. So the long run today turned into a walk instead, which is cool because, you know, we don't officially start marathon training. I think like to the next week, sometime in September. I think we got like 2 to 3 weeks left on our current schedule, which we call conditioning, before we start doing like the actual marathon training, like with distance, time, speed work, hills, and all of that stuff. So we're back from my walk and I'm gonna make dinner. So we're gonna make black bean tacos, and it's really simple. It's only like a few ingredients: corn, black beans, and then I need to get the onion, bell pepper, then I have like this flour tortilla. I read the back of it, didn't say anything about milk or any other kind of animal product, so I have this as an option. Then also, of course, I had the corn tortillas that I had earlier.
Yeah. Torture fast, dance, girl, you bound bag that. I know you bag that. You like to get to the bag fast. You got class, yeah. Bitch hating they mad ass. Girl, you bad, bad. I told you to send me a cash tag. They was hating on you before. You got the last laugh. Now you dripping in Christian Dior. Bitches hate you more. Long as them Louboutins hitting the block, bitches getting ignored. Pressure, yeah, they feeling it more. Soon as you step in the door, boss, babe, you do it all. You needin' the wall. Bust down, iced out. Used to whipping the car.
It tastes good and fresh because of like the fresh pickle de gallo I made. I only like cilantro sometimes, so there's no cilantro in this. But and then the beans, cause like when I was smushing them up, it kind of gave it like a refried bean kind of texture. It feel hearty. It's good. I can't even tell that I don't have any meat in there. I definitely like the flour tortilla better than the corn tortilla, hands down. And then I think we're gonna have one more thing because it's getting late. What time is it? It's like 9 o'clock.
Down, iced out. Used to whipping the car. Ass fat, make it clap, clap, encore. Make it clap, clap, encore. It's the face for me, girl you bad, it's the cake for me.
Now that's a dessert. That is a dessert. Let me back y'all up. I finally found the olive oil. We had some coconut, dairy-free whipped topping. And then I added some peanut butter on top. I couldn't just leave it how I did it earlier and then post that girl Instagram thing next to it. I wanted to at least try to do her proud. Now she doesn't have peanut butter on hers. I added peanut butter. But things that I learned about the forks over knives after that I bought. They have some really good recipes. They obviously do not condone oils. I will be using oils. And then, of course, I'm still going to eat meat. So I will make these and I will just pair meat on the side of them. But I did want to try the app recipes just like how they were. And they were pretty good. I can admit they were pretty tasty. So, okay, so that's going to end my full day of eating plant-based. I made a few mistakes here and there. I don't expect to be perfect the first chance out. This was experiment 1, so I'm pretty sure we'll have some more experiments in the future. Let me know if anything that I made look good, if y'all gonna try it, if y'all have tried plant-based only food or vegetarian before, or even been vegan. I am not any of those things. I don't plan to be any of those things, but I do like to try new stuff. So I will see you guys next Wednesday, and until then.
I'm crying over you. Running to my mind, girl, all over me. Don't know why you're always on my mind.